Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to deposit a check at a Santander ATM step by step, updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Locate a Santander ATM that accepts checks. Not all ATMs accept check deposits, so use the Santander app or website to find a nearby ATM with check deposit capability. Step 2. Endorse the back of the check. Before inserting your check, make sure to sign the back of it. Some checks may also require you to write "for mobile or ATM deposit only" under your signature. Check with your bank if unsure. Step 3. Insert your debit card and enter PIN. At the ATM, insert your Santander debit card, enter your PIN, and select Deposit from the main menu. Step 4. Choose account and type of deposit. Select the account where you want the check deposited, usually checking or savings. Then choose Deposit Check. Step 5. Insert the check. When prompted, insert the check directly into the ATM slot. Most Santander ATMs will scan the check and show you a preview on screen. Step 6. Confirm the amount. If the ATM doesn't auto-read the check amount, you'll need to enter it manually. Double-check everything, then confirm the deposit. Step 7. Take your receipt. Once confirmed, the ATM will print a receipt showing your deposit details. Some machines may also offer an image of the deposited check. That's it. Your funds may be available immediately or within 1 business day, depending on the check type and your account history. Important tip: always keep your paper receipt and check stub until the deposit fully clears. If there's ever an issue, you'll have proof of the transaction. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials on banking and finance. Thanks for watching.